In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing filters on TikTok. Now firstly, let's head over to the filters. You could see filters on this right panel right here. If you tap on it, you could see all of different filters that you can apply to your TikTok. But if you don't see a particular filter, you can tap on manage and make sure that all of the filters are selected. So let's say if one is not selected like this, it will not show up on the filters tab. So what you need to do is, if a particular filter is not selected, you simply need to select it again. Head over to every tab and make sure that each and every filter is selected. Now once you do that, you should be able to see and get missing filter on your TikTok. If you still don't see that filter, you can try to update your app of TikTok. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and then search for TikTok. Now if there is an update, make sure you tap on update and update the app. Updating apps helps to add in new features or helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing that issue. Now sometimes TikTok has different kinds of glitches. That also may be the reason that you're not seeing that particular filter. Now what you can do in this case is you can simply tap and hold the app of TikTok and you can uninstall it. Once you uninstall it, you can reinstall and log into your account of TikTok, and after you do that, you should pretty much be able to see that missing filter on your TikTok account. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.